Good morning. Another beautiful day here in Wisconsin. We are heading out to the farm to grab the scag zero turn and to cut down some more weeds. We got about 2, maybe 3 inches of rain over the last week. Let's get to it. Made it back to the farm. It's time to load the trailer up, get the scag on it, and head out to mow. Got the chickens, got the cows, we got them all. Look at that beauty. Now for the most important part when strapping anything down. She ain't going anywhere. Whenever loading anything up on a trailer, always double check your connections. That one's in. Safety chains are crossed and latched. This is on and locked. Make sure the wheel is steady. Obviously, check your straps. And the back gate. Latched. Latched. And there we have it. Every time. Safety first. Trailer connected. Set it to tow haul. And we're off. right, first property is complete. Got her loaded up, got her ratcheted her down, head on to the next ones. Gonna stop here quickly though and clean out these dry vents just like last video. This one has a much longer tube in the basement, so we'll be checking that out, having to disassemble it a little bit due to it being so long, but using the same tools as last time, that nice dryer vent, brush. So yeah, let's check it out. All right, so we're down in the basement, and as you can see, this is where the dryer comes up, comes down around here and follows this pipe all the way outside. So I'm hoping that we have enough of the brush, but I'm thinking we're gonna have to deattach some of these tubes to get them clean and then reattach them and blow it all outside. So let's get to it. Here are all the sticks that we have, hoping that this will be enough. So let's start assembling. All in all, decent size. I'm just hoping it works the whole length. It's only one way to find out. I can measure it, but that'd take too long. And here's the dryer outlet. Let's pop this off, see what we're working with. Oh yeah, needs good cleaning. We'll check the pile once we're done. Disconnect this bad boy. Let's see what we're working with. Can't see out. This means she's clogged. Still lots of stuff. We can't see the end. Set her up again. There you go. Clean as a whistle. All right, time to reconnect our pipes. Somehow. Took two hands, but got her reconnected. So now we're going to turn on the dryer, let any loose debris blow right out the end. And that right there is a fire saved. I blew it all out. Brush helped to loosen it, and this is just fire hazard. So we'll get out here, clean this up, pop this back on, and it's good for another, I'd say 6 months with the amount that's in there. But yeah, I recommend buying one of these. Use it at my house, use it at these homes. They come in handy. Do it twice a year and save yourself from a dryer fire. After that brief pause, we are back on schedule, heading to the next property. Got to mow it down, but of course, that's not going anywhere. That's not going anywhere. We are back at the final property. If you guys remember this one, it's a doozy. A lot of culverts, a lot of weeds, a lot of tall grass, a lot of bumps, very dry out here, and a lot of acreage. So let's unstrap it and get to mowing. did it. It's done. Nice and mowed. Good for another 2 weeks, hopefully, depending on rain. But as always, it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere.
Tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back. But hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. Got fast cars, movie stars, party on the street. With Mary Jane, good cocaine, lay me down there. Double down, throw some dice, take off now, don't think twice. But hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, come on. Tell me where you wanna go.
And there you have it. Another day complete. Mowing, dryer vents yet again. But we did everything today that we needed to do in terms of those little projects. So I will catch you in the next one. Please, again, like, subscribe, comment for more. Let me know if there's anything that you are interested in or anything that you liked about these videos or didn't like. I'm open to changing up some things. So yeah, smash that like, smash that subscribe, and I'll see you next time.